One of the best purchases that I made this year was definitely upgrading my GoPro. If you guys watched my previous video, the quality has jumped with what I have been able to do. Filming on a phone can only go so far, and filming in a higher resolution, despite the amount of time it takes to produce content, is definitely worth it. And I'm going to enjoy shooting in high resolutions from here on out. So, to commemorate this, I am taking the EXA for a drive to go get a car wash because we have an event on Sunday that I got to prepare for. So, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys when I get back. Okay, this is one of those machines that you actually got to know. So with these machines, you have to click stop when you're done. So I used $8 when I could have used $5 just on a wash. So that was kind of dumb, but oh well. And also my wipers don't work, so it's gonna be one hell of a fix. Let's see. Doesn't even on low. Jesus. Cool. Let's just quickly wash down the car and then get going. Very sludgy, even the back window, very murky. Have glass cleaner in the passenger seat as well. Okay, here we go. We have washed the EXA, so now we can go. Let's take it back home. Oh shit. Have I run out of fluid? Great. Gonna need to top up fluid. Okay, we did it. Could have actually gone there. This thing is pretty sick. I am definitely in love, and I don't know if this is actually the right way out, but we're gonna find out. There is a stop sign here, so I'm assuming we gotta go out this way. There we go. There we go, and we're back. We are back out of it. Ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, nice Mitsubishi. Miat. There we go. No power steering, gang, boys. It's really difficult to see, but at least the car's clean now. Oh, and very bouncy boy, too. So guys, I am back, and the EXA is clean, but at what cost? Well, my mental and physical energy have definitely depleted. So it turns out that the EXA adds a little bit extra to the mix, and that was very hard to say, and I can't believe I got that right. Being a manual transmission vehicle, driving manual in a car wash was definitely a challenge I never thought I would. I don't know, I couldn't really say hate, but it was definitely not fun. What made it even worse was not having power steering and also having a leaking clutch when I went to go leave. Those two things were a cocktail for disaster, but I did get through it, and I did it graciously. Another thing that was annoying was that the car wash actually doesn't tell you if you're using card, that if you don't click the stop button, it just rolls over your credits until you pay more. I ended up paying $8.20 to wash the EXA, when I could have been paying $4. So it added a lot of extra stuff that I didn't really need. But we got through it. I'm going to have to take the L on that one. I will remember next time, pay in cash or watch to make sure that you don't overstay your welcome. Also, might I mention, the EXA was very fun to drive, and the fact that I finally have POV footage of me driving it, it's just really cool, and I can't wait to keep watching back over and over again until I figure out how I can improve my shifting. But anyway, that is all for now. I am now ready to rest. My arm is now officially dead, and I can now officially get ready for Sunday, because on Sunday we have Bosch Cars and Coffee hosted by Highball, and it's going to be an amazing event. For those of you who don't know what Highball is, I will briefly summarize, but I will talk more about it in the next video, and that is that Highball is practically a very luxurious cars and coffee held by the Highball Cars and Coffee Facebook page, and they host really good meets. The turnout is always great. There is a mixture of JDM cars, rare legends, heritage cars, as well as the unobtainable. Sometimes there can be some really cool cars, so we are going to go and see what's up. I'm going to hang out with some friends and meet some awesome people. So until next time, I will see you guys later. Subscribe if you want to see all of that, but I'm just going to go. My arm is dead.